In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply your TurboTax refund to next year's estimated taxes. Once you've finished entering all of your income, deductions, and credits, TurboTax will guide you into the final part of the filing flow. This is where you'll see your projected refund and how you'd like to receive it. On the refund screen, look for the section that asks how you want to get your money back. You'll typically see choices like direct deposit or paper check, and there should also be an option to apply your refund to next year's estimated tax. That's the option you want to select if your goal is to carry your refund forward as a credit against next year's federal taxes. When you choose to apply the refund to next year, pay close attention to the amount. The IRS generally requires that if you use this option, you apply the entire refund. Partial transfers aren't typically allowed, which means you can't split your refund between receiving some now and sending the rest to next year. If the software displays a field to confirm the amount, make sure it matches your full refund as shown on the screen. If there's a toggle for Apply All, turn it on so the full amount is earmarked for next year's estimated taxes. This decision is important, so pause here to double-check the numbers before you continue. After you've selected the Apply to Next Year option and confirmed the full amount, proceed through the remaining steps to finish filing. TurboTax will carry that instruction with your return when you submit it, so the IRS knows to treat your refund as an overpayment credit toward next year's taxes. Complete any final review prompts, sign and submit electronically, and wait for your acceptance notice. Once your return is accepted and processed, the overpayment is typically locked in for next year. A few practical tips as you wrap up. Keep a copy of your filed return and confirmation for your records. You'll want the exact dollar amount that was applied so you can confirm it next year. When you prepare your taxes next season, that carry forward should appear as a credit on your return, reducing what you owe or adding to any future refund. If you later change your mind, remember that once the IRS processes your return, you generally can't redirect that overpayment to a bank account instead. That's why it's worth taking a moment to review the amount and your choice on the refund screen before you file. And that's it. Select the Apply to Next Year option, confirm the full amount, and complete your filing.